Hi there, this is Victor. Today I'm going to tell you what are the mistakes that my students make during the lesson and also to tell you more about the traffic rules on these video clips. This is the road marking to make a left turn only ahead. This is the sign to make a left turn only. After confirming traffic is clear on the right, please take note of pedestrians that could be crossing in front of your vehicle before you make a left turn. Based on traffic rules, you need to keep your vehicle to the left upmost lane after turning left. Once you decided to turn, look at the lane you are turning to. Slow down when approaching slip road to look out for pedestrians approaching or crossing. Please check traffic in front of you and ensure it's clear before checking on the traffic from the right. That's all for today. Hope you learned some important lesson from the video clip. I will continue to create more of such video. Please subscribe to my channel, share and comment below for other information you wanted to know. Last but not least, thanks for watching and see you soon.